Hey players, so we got to talk about this situation that is going on with Daunte Wrights' family. So as we know, Daunte Wright was murdered back in April of 2021, leaving this beautiful baby boy behind. He was murdered by police officer Kim Potter, and she is now serving a lowly prison sentence for his death. Rest in power to Daunte Wright. He was not given justice. So after he was murdered, a GoFundMe was started. And unfortunately now, the mother of his surviving son has filed a lawsuit against Ben Crump. She is also suing his parents. The lawsuit was filed on Monday on behalf of a China Whitaker, and she is Daunte Wrights Jr.'s mother. And she alleges that Ben Crump, who was her attorney at the time, promised and assured her up front that any GoFundMe monies raised through the Daunte Wright Sr. Memorial Fund would be split 50-50 between Daunte Jr. and the Wright family. She said that Ben Crump assured her that her son would be taken care of, but as of yet, she hasn't received any financial assistance to help raise her son, and the attempts to resolve the dispute have gone unanswered. Her attorney said that they would have preferred to settle the matter with a letter and a phone call. They've tried several times, but they were unsuccessful, and now they had to take it to court. According to the lawsuit, language used on the GoFundMe page when it was first created said a portion of the proceeds would go towards providing support to Daunte's infant son, Daunte Wright Jr. However, at some point, any mention of the child was omitted from the page. So they say that the child is owed more than $500,000, and they are seeking that along with a full and complete accounting of the bank account where the GoFundMe money was deposited, attorney's fees, and other relief. Now, Ben Crump has responded to this lawsuit and said that this is strictly a family dispute between the mother of Daunte Wright's child and Daunte's parents, who set up the GoFundMe account in question. Ben Crump Law never handled or controlled the money from the GoFundMe account, which was under the sole direction of Daunte's parents. Ben Crump did not benefit from any of the funds raised, and they did not accept any fees in the case, and their hearts are going out to the family, and they hope that they can get this situation resolved expeditiously. So China feels like her son is owed the $500,000 as the GoFundMe has stated prior, and also Ben Crump. She alleges that Ben Crump promised her that her and her son would be taken care of, and that the GoFundMe money would be shared between her and the parents of Daunte Wright. All right, players, it's time to run them comments up. What you thinking about this? Do you think that Ben Crump is responsible for this? Do you think the parents owe her some of the GoFundMe money? Put your thoughts in the comments. It's Daunte.